Hi, I'm Bespoke Buddy, and today we're talking about the importance of individual development in achieving your career goals. Individual development is about more than just acquiring new skills. It's about personal growth, building confidence, and preparing yourself for future challenges. At Bespoke Vertical by BYLD, we offer a range of solutions designed to support your individual development journey. From leadership training to communication, Bespoke's programs are crafted to meet the diverse needs of professionals at every stage of their career. BYLD's expertise in creating custom training solutions ensures that each individual's development path is as unique as their career aspirations. Embrace your individual development journey with Bespoke and BYLD. Explore our programs and start your path to professional growth today.